If you've been trying to start an online business and you're still stuck, this is the video I wish somebody made for me when I started. Because I'm going to show you the easiest way to get your first digital product online, no tech stress, no ads, and I've got a free shortcut at the end that can literally save you weeks of time. When I first got into this online space, I was overwhelmed. Everybody said, you need this platform, this email tool, or this checkout page. And I was spending more time connecting tools and actually making money. And if you're like me, you just want something that works, something that helps you launch, sell, and grow without needing to be a tech expert. Then one day I found this platform called System.io. In real talk, it changed the game for me. System.io does everything in one place: funnels, email marketing, courses, payments, all of it. No monthly app stacking, no connect this with that. Just simple. The first time I used it, I built a full digital product funnel in under 30 minutes. And that video, the one where I showed how it works, ended up getting almost 1,000 views and real sales. That's when I realized this isn't just another software. It's a system that removes friction. Let me break this down because I know somebody's watching thinking, yeah, but I don't even have a product to sell yet. That's exactly where most people get stuck. They try to create the perfect thing before they even start. Here's the better move. Start with something simple. Test the system first, then worry about building your brand later. And this is why I created something called the Free Digital Product Store. It's a free library of plug-and-play digital products you can list, sell, or even resell, and it works perfectly with System.io. You don't need to design anything. You just plug one in, add your link, and launch. So here's the payoff. If you stay with me for the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to use my free store with System.io to launch your first digital offer today. Step 1, all you got to do is click the link below to grab your free System.io account. Step 2, you're going to go to my free digital product store and the link's also going to be right next to it. Step 3, just pick one product and load it into your System.io funnel. I've already built the templates. All you got to do is swap your name and your payment link. I even show you how to do it. It's literally the shortcut I wish I had when I started. Now, if this video helped you see how simple it can be to start online, do me this huge favor. Drop "Build Different" in the comments so I know you're one of the people actually taking action this week. Because here's the deal. Most people overthink this stuff and never even launch. But not you. You're going to build different. And one of the ways is by watching this next video. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.